Communication for School Leaders, Week 4. This week, we'll be working on concentration on public opinion, on the press, and on social media and other forms of media and their effect on school and school relations. Public opinion. School leaders need to study their communities, identify the leaders, and interpret public opinion and its sources. School correspondence is important, and school leaders and employees should have positive correspondence both verbally and in writing. A word about the press. The press plays an important role in the school relations program. School leaders should work to improve relations with newspapers and the press in order to provide more positive coverage of the schools and their actions. Studies show that the primary sources of schools and their activities come from students and the press. Media and social media. In this day and age, it's important to remember that information is shared immediately with your constituency. Radio, television, and now the internet are vehicles for school information. Facebook and Twitter and the school website, they have also entered into the market as tools for communication. In the past, schools had time to think and think logically before messaging reached its constituents. Now, it is so immediate that quite often schools scramble to be ahead of the messaging that emerges from any event. Preparedness. Because of the immediacy of the release of information, it is vital to have a methodology in place that helps to prevent poor messaging. Public relations mandates that schools have a clear set of steps in place that allow constituents to trust that truth and transparency are the norm rather than secrecy and subterfuge. Next steps. Read through the study resources and activities for information about this week's assignments. Don't forget to participate in this week's discussion. Remember to comment on the posts of at least 2 of your classmates' original posts.